Case number SP 110527171. Brandon Christopher Dowdy. The charge is driver's license expired. This is the date and time for trial. If Mr. Dowdy is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Brandon Christopher David Dowdy.
Thank you, Mr. Dowdy. Who's representing Mr. Dowdy?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Attorney Nancy Parker, P84325, on behalf of Defendant Dowdy.
Thank you, Ms. Parker. How do you wish to proceed with Mr. Dowdy today?
Your Honor, we received an offer from the prosecutor and we would like to accept it today.
All right, and what was that offer, Ms. Parker?
It was reduced down to a failing to display valid license.
Okay, thank you. Is there anyone else present to be heard in this matter? Nope. Okay. All right, Mr. Dowdy, you've heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes.
Mr. Dowdy, were you advised of your right to a trial?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Were you advised that you have the right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Dowdy, if you were to have a trial, normally that trial would take place in person inside of the 36th District. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse is closed to the public. And so it's my understanding that you have agreed to participate on the Zoom technology today. Is that right?
Correct.
Mr. Dowdy, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about all of your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, did anyone force you, threaten you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Dowdy, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
And sir, are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Dowdy, knowing that you are waiving or giving up your rights, it's my understanding you wish to go forward with the guilty plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, sir. And do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
Mr. Dowdy, you may lower your hand. The date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 52171. Were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you stopped by a police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And did that officer ask you for a valid driver's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, was your driver's license expired?
Yes.
Ms. Parker, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor, we're satisfied.
The court will accept the guilty plea being satisfied with the factual basis. We will also accept the recommendation to amend the charge to failure to display, which is a 0-point offense. However, your fines and costs are $240 plus a mandatory $45 reinstatement fee that goes to the Secretary of State's office. So $285 is the total. Mr. Dowdy, are you able to pay that amount in 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions, sir? You know, you can pay online, 36districtcourt.org. You can pay on the DivDat app or at the kiosk in the lobby of the courthouse.
Understood.
All right. Any questions, Ms. Parker, on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we're satisfied today.
Thank you. Then you may both be excused from the hearing. Have a great day. Thank you for your patience.
No problem. Bye-bye.
All right, Madam Clerk. Anyone else for the live stream? Mr. Zaranek?